Find or read reviews that people are talking about Litake Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with soft chewable ice. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Compact size. Its dimensions are 11.29 x 8.66 x 12.68 inches, so it won't take up too much space. It is suitable for home kitchens, offices, coffee shops, ice cream parlors, small bars, and other places. Fast ice maker with transparent cover. The Litake ice maker only takes 6 to 8 minutes to make nearly 1.1 pounds ice cubes. The maximum ice capacity can reach 33 pounds in 24 hours. A transparent lid is mounted on top of the ice machine maker, which allows you to see the ice making process at all times. Quiet and user-friendly. When making ice cubes, the noise is lower than 45 decibels, similar to a working refrigerator. Its auto-cleaning function relieves users from the hassle of cleaning. The ice basket is made of food-grade plastic, ensuring clean and safe of the ice cubes. Easily control. The control panel is very easy to operate. Fill the ice maker with water, press the on button and that's it. When the water is insufficient or the ice basket is full, the indicator light will turn on. 600 ml circulating water tank. The melted ice from the ice basket drips directly into the water tank, and this water can be recycled and reused. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.